There are 3 things that you should know before you get into your own salon suite as a beauty professional. Whether you're a braider, a makeup artist, or a loctician, be sure that you jot these 3 things down before you move into your own salon suite. I'm speaking from professional experience and personal experience and just sharing what I've learned with my followers. So the number one thing that you want to make sure, most important of all if you ask me, is that you have the funds to fund your salon suite. Meaning, make sure that your clientele is consistent and steady enough so that you can keep up with your salon booth rent, which is weekly in most areas. And it can range between $200 to $400 depending on that area. So make sure that you have a steady clientele coming in and you're not relying on someone else getting your clients for you, or make sure you start to build your clientele up until the point where you can afford that booth rent along with all of your other bills every week. Okay, that is the most important part. A lot of people do not have that before they jump into a salon suite, and therefore they're not in there very long and they're back where they started. So number 2, the second thing that I would recommend before jumping into your own salon suite is that you are ready for the hard work. Meaning, be prepared to buy all of your own supplies. Be prepared to clean your own suite, take out your own trash, wash your own towels, fold your own towels, get all of your necessary decor and arrangements, pictures for your wall, and music, TV. Make sure that you are ready to handle all of that on your own. Most of the time in a salon suite, there is no one giving you these things. The rooms are only filled with a shampoo bowl and a salon chair. Most of them don't have dryers. Be prepared to buy your own dryer and TV to go on the wall or go in your room. If you're not going to have one, fine. That's another important thing you have to consider when moving into your own salon suite. Thirdly, be ready to be alone in a salon suite. You don't have friends to laugh with. You don't have anyone to help you clean. You don't have anyone to help you pick up where you dropped off. You are completely alone, okay? No one to talk to, no one to take out your trash for you. It's just you. You are the sole proprietor of your business and everything falls on you. So be ready to protect yourself. Make sure that you're secure and you're safe in your atmosphere. If you have any tips, add them to the comments below. If you need any advice, please follow Houston Lock Fairy. I'd be happy to help.